Hey, welcome back to Thailand Virtual Travel Network. My name is Mark. Today I'm going to give you an update on my monthly budget here in Danang, Vietnam. There's been some changes for the good. Let's get started. Be sure and stay tuned to the end. I'll show you some of the fireworks show tonight. Competition here in Danang, many countries, starts tonight. I can't wait. My budget spreadsheet is available if you leave a comment and request it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's break it down. Here I've added my 90-day visa run to Cambodia and adjusted the related energy costs due to the summer heat here in Da Nang. Now the government of Vietnam has changed the requirements. You must apply for your visa from outside of the country of Vietnam. Your application is generally returned to you within 3 business days. Your mileage may vary, due to various things like holidays.
It's getting hot in here. In Da Nang in May, the energy bill has gone up from $20 to $50 with an average temperature of around 90 degrees each day and up.
I spent 8 nights in Siem Reap, Cambodia in late May of 2025. My budget was $500, all inclusive. I could have spent probably $400 if I had stayed in a less nice hotel, but I really wanted the 4-star hotel with the pool, so that's what I chose. I will leave a link to my previous video on my trip to Cambodia for the visa run, so check it out. It's got a lot of good information in it. So here are some of the cutbacks that allowed me to reduce my monthly budget. I no longer cook at home. I go out for all of my meals now, and the cost of a meal is, $1, $2, $3 max, as long as you're eating Vietnamese food. I have a regular rotation of restaurants in my area, which also includes using Grab as food deliveries. So cheap here and convenient and fast. I've also cut back on expensive seafood. I really love seafood. It's been a weakness of mine, but rarely doing that anymore. I went to a restaurant that's right around the corner from my apartment here, and I was really surprised by the bill. I ordered some lobster and some clams and some snails, and the bill came to like $40. So you really got to be careful with which restaurant you choose. You can find it for much less. After being here for 3 months, I now have a regular rotation. I know where to get the value and the taste for less money. It takes some time, so it's worthwhile to look around and get what you want. This isn't really a cutback, but I'm not dating. I don't have a girlfriend here. I'm cool with staying at home a lot, working on my videos. I go to the Galaxy Gym 2 or 3 times a week. I wish it was 4. I communicate with my family back home, so I meet with subscribers. It's a great life. I'm really enjoying myself here, and having a girlfriend would be expensive, so I'm good with it. Please leave a comment requesting the spreadsheet. I will send it right out to you. Thanks again for joining me here at Thailand Virtual Travel Network. We'll see you again soon. In the meantime, take care.